Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi all, who are you today? Introduction, my name is Rizky Dekumala Saru. Here I am the moderator and will present the material about the complaint letter and replying letter. Here I am accompanied by my group mates, namely 1. Putri Nadia Wijarningrum, 2. Yuda Haryanto, 3. Jumiatun, 4. Farida Nabila, 6. Revalia Kusuma, X. Rizky Dekumala Sari. Here I will write about definition, complaint letter, and replying letter. Definition, complaint letter, and replying the complaint letter. Complaint letter is a type of official, the continuous expression of complaint for some decision with a particular service so that it them a sample as complaint machine. The context of the letter can also be in the form of filing claim for a client to a paper letter again for company. Therefore, it's also called a claim letter and is official. It is not superseding that process can involve the law. Replying the complaint letter. A complaint letter, replying letter is a letter sent by an organization or company that gets a complaint for its customer or consumer. Complaint replying letters are made with the aim of providing value to consumers that the company gives more attention and care to its consumers. The response to complaints context the attitude of the company, the revisor, the complaint. With here, it will come some star for the also software be they consumer or just give an explanation.
Part of the complaint letter and reply to the complaint letter. Number 1. Complaint letter. In making it is important to pay attention to the part because it is an official letter. The following are the sections of the complaint letter. 1. Company letterhead as header or letterhead. 2. Location and date the letter was issued. 3. Mail number. 4. Mention the subject of the complaint letter. 5. Add attachment if need. 6. Recipient address. 7. The content of the letter, which includes a detailed explanation. 8. Signature to show the validity of the letter. Number 2. Replying the complaint letter. As for the part of the letter of reply to the complaint of goods itself are of follow. 1. Letterhead. 2. Place and date of the letter. 3. Mail number. 4. About. 5. Attachment. 6. Recipient of the letter. Address or person address. 7. Fill in the 5 points that have been mentioned earlier. 8. Name and signature.
Writing letter of complaint. Useful press. Letter of complaint have, like any other formal piece of writing, an introduction, a main body, a conclusion. Before these three parts, you also have addresses, the date, and the opening greeting. After the conclusion, there is a closing and your signature. In the introduction, you say who you are, give basic information about yourself and your relationship to the person you're addressing. You do not need to state your name, as that will be evident at the end of the letter. State the reason why you are writing the letter. In the main body, you give detail about the problem you encountered and wish to point out. Each new detail must be described clearly in a new paragraph. In the conclusion, you should mention what you expect the person you are writing to do about the problem. The conclusion is therefore a call to action. You should also remind the recipient of the letter of your feeling. Tips for writing a letter of complaint. Sometimes you only get what you deserve if you make a fuss about it. And if you receive a shoddy product of or service, you may need to write a letter of complaint. But how does this work? With our 5 top tips, the auditing company should begin to make amends.
1. Address your letter strategically. You need your letter of complaint to be read by the right person. A complaint about a broken iPad you address to Mr. Apple, for example, will not get far. Instead, try to define the name and title of warfare, handle complaint at the company, or at the very least, address it to the customer service department. 2. Structure your letter clearly, as well as the standard salutation and valediction. A complaint letter shall include the following bits of information. 1. Your situation. Example, I'm writing to complain about a product I bought from your company on the December 17, 2019. 2. The problem that occurred. Example, 1 week later it stopped working. Next, the consequence. Example, as a result, little Jimmy spent Christmas in tears. Next, solution. Example, we hope you will be able to offer a replacement. Next, a time limit and warning. For example, if we have not heard from you within 2 weeks, we will make a formal complaint to blah 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 blah. It should include everything the company might need to know to fix the issue. Be friendly and factual. It might be tempting to write a angry or sarcastic letter, but this will not usually prompt a helpful response. In addition, the person reading the letter will probably not be directly responsible for the problem, so you should not fan your frustration and them with hydration. Instead, politeness is ways keep the tone friendly and provide as most factual detail as you can. Include times and date, relevant account number, and copies of any supporting document. This will ensure your complaint gets dealt with as soon as possible. 4. Use a complaint letter template. There are several template complaint letter available online. These are pre-written letter with gaps that you can fill in relate to your complaint. Example, EX, date, company name, problem. This can be very useful if you are worried about expressing yourself clearly, as they do most of the work in for you. 5. Proofread your letter of complaint. You need your complaint letter to be clear, concise, and authoritative. Needless to say, poor grammar and spelling mistakes will undermine this proofreading or getting your company proofread by professional will thus enhance your chance of the getting a quick and helpful response.
Tips for writing a letter of replying complaint. 1. Use a formal register. 2. Choose vocabulary that is more objective and reduce negative emotion where possible, e.g., dissatisfied rather than unhappy or upset, inconvenience rather than trouble or problem. 3. Acknowledge the complaint and show you understand the problem. Focus on the fact and avoid making excuse or placing blame on individual people. 4. Apologize and explain what steps will be taken to ensure it does happen again. 5. Emphasize the positive relationship with the customer. We value your custom or feedback. In appreciation of the many years you have been a customer, we are happy too. We trust that you will. 6. Offer some kind of solution or compensation if appropriate. Samples letter of complaint. Medan, 23 December 2020. From Karina Yasmina to Customer Relation Department of Grande Hotel. Dear Sir, as a customer of your hotel, I would like to thank you for your service. However, along with this letter, I would like to say a few words regarding to the service of this hotel. On 22 December at 4 p.m., I called the facility service from my room because the bedroom lamp did not light. I called them 3 times and I also thought no one would answer me. He said he would be arrived in 15 minutes. I waited for 30 minutes but no one came. So I called the facility service once and someone picked it up and answered my call loudly like he was angry. I do not understand why he was angry. If anyone should angry, that would be me. Why did not he come and fix the bedroom lamp? Later, at 7 p.m., someone knocked my door. And there the facility service officer came. From all the point, I want to say, I hope the facility service will be more responsive to your hotel customers. This point will be probably annoy some of bad-tempered customers. I hope this kind of situation will not happen again in the future. Thank you for your attention and I'm sorry if there were some mistakes in my words. Sincerely, Karina Yasmina.
Samples letter of replying complaint. Medan, 23 December 2020. From Customer Relation Department of Grand Hotel to Mrs. Karina Yasmina. Dear Mrs. Karina Yasmina, in reply to a complaint letter that Mrs. Karina had sent to us on 23 December. We are from Customer Relation Department of Grand Hotel. Would like to thank you for the letter. We also would like to apologize with the inconvenience and lack of service that we provide to you. We realized that our officer did not do his work professionally, so we sent him to a training coach to develop his skill in responding customer calls. Also, we assure the situation will never happen again in the future. We will upgrade our service to be more responsive and responsible. Thank you for your attention and cooperation. Sincerely, Andy, Manager of Customer Relations Department of Grand Hotel. Thanks.